Welcome, guys! Today, we are going to learn 40 common action verbs with comprehensible input. Ta-da! Okay, the first one is to hug. I'm going to hug this tree. I'm hugging this tree. I just hugged this tree. The next verb is to kiss. I'm going to kiss my hand. I just kissed my hand. I'm going to wave to the passerby. Hello. Hello. I'm waving my hand. I just waved to the passerby. I'm waving to you, my YouTube friends. I'm holding my backpack. So I just held my backpack. I'm going to stretch my body. I'm stretching my body. I just stretched, kind of relaxed. I'm going to swing my arms. I'm swinging my arms. I just swung my arm. Wow, what a beautiful view here. I'm taking a photo. I take photos of the beautiful lake. Wow, super nice. I just took photo of the lake. So beautiful, right? I'm going to tie my shoelace. I'm tying my shoelace. I just tied my shoelace. I'm going to climb this tree. I'm climbing this tree. I just climbed this tree. I'm going to breathe the fresh air. I'm breathing the fresh air. I just breathed the fresh air. It's so peaceful and quiet here. I'm going to keep quiet and listen to the birds. I'm listening to the birds. I just listen to the birds. Do you like listen to the birds too? It's one of my favorite activities, especially after a long day of work. It really helps me relax. I'm going to throw my trash into the trash bin. I'm throwing the trash. I just threw my trash into this trash bin. I'm going to shake my bottle. I'm shaking my bottle. Oh, it's full of water. I'm going to ride my bike. I'm riding my bike. I just rode my bike. Now, it's one of our morning routine. I'm going to brush my teeth. I'm brushing my teeth. I just brushed my teeth. So, next, I'm going to wash my face. Wash my face. I'm washing. I just washed my face. Now, I feel awake. I'm going to pour some water. I'm pouring water into my glass. I just poured some water into my glass. I'm opening the window. Oh, it's raining today. I just opened the window. This one, this mini apple, very cute, right? I'm going to take a bite out of this one. Biting. I bit this apple. After you bite, you have to chew. I'm chewing the apple. Past tense, I just chewed. Next, after you finish chewing, you have to swallow. Yeah, swallow. I'm swallowing. I just swallowed. Now, I'm going to hang my clothes, which just washed. Present tense, I'm hanging my clothes. So, I've just hung my clothes. Now, I'm going to click the mouse. I'm clicking the mouse. I just clicked it, so I have to start my work today. I'm going to type on my computer. I'm typing on my computer. I just typed some words here, my friend. I'm going to hit the pen. I'm hitting the pan right now. I just heated the pan. It's ready to cook now. Now I'm going to chop these vegetables and these chili peppers. I'm chopping. I just chopped them. I'm going to stir the egg. I'm stirring the egg. I just stirred the egg. Now I'm going to taste how is the fried noodle. I'm tasting. I just tasted. It needs more salt. Fried noodle. I'm going to plug in my phone to charge. I'm plugging in my phone. I just plugged it in. Now I'm going to knock on the door. I'm knocking. I just knocked on the door, but no one answered me. Now I'm going to grab the handle. I'm grabbing the handle and I will open the door directly. I grabbed the handle. I'm so tired now. I'm going to lean on this wall. I'm leaning on this wall. I just leaned on this wall. I'm going to sweep the floor. I'm sweeping the floor. I just swept the floor, no more dust now. Now I'm going to mop the floor. I'm mopping the floor. I just mopped the floor. Super nice, right? Now I'm going to repair my bike. I'm repairing my bike. I just repaired my bike with this tool. I'm going to measure the size of this coffee table. I'm measuring. The length is 120 centimeters. The length is 120 centimeters. And the width is 56 centimeters. Yeah, 56 centimeters. I just measured the coffee table. The temperature is super comfortable today. I'm going to meditate for a while. I'm meditating. I just meditate for 1 minute. So nice. And the last word we are going to learn today is scroll. I'm going to scroll on my phone. I'm scrolling on my phone right now. Just checking some news. I just scrolled for like 10 minutes. Sometimes I scroll through English videos, sometimes just pictures of food. It's kind of relaxing, but also dangerous. Yes, I know. Because you open your phone for 1 minute and suddenly 30 minutes are gone. That's all for today's video. Remember guys, I will post new videos every week. Leave a comment below where you are from and what you learned today. And also guys, what kind of videos you want to see in the future. So that's it. And remember guys, we will be fluent in English together very soon. See you in my next video. I'm Ollie. Bye bye.